Hi friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. My name is Nosh and I love DIYs and crafts. Today we are going to design this centerpiece home decor and we are going to design purely from household trash material. So for the first part of this DIY we are going to form the base, which is with this carton. So I've cut this carton in two parts and I folded the flaps and glued them together. You can see there's a little bit of the space in between. I'll be placing a small carton over there as well. Not a carton, cardboard over there as well. And then I'm going to wrap it up in this Dollar Tree wrapping paper. It's got a self-adhesive as well, so that makes it easy just to kind of tear it apart and stick it together. That's the part I was talking about, which I'll be placing in between. I'm going to wrap this box up just like you would wrap a gift box, with the same wrapping paper. Next step is these bottles. Now my boys, they love to have Gator drink, so I've got quite a few of these collected. Naturally they would be thrown, but I'm going to recycle these. So this is an excellent project for upcycling or repurposing. I've taken out the wrappers first, or the labels, and after that I'll be removing the rings as well. And they've already been washed and rinsed as well. So the next step would be to apply 2 coats of white acrylic paint on them. I've now gotten into the habit of using a little bit of baking powder or soda bicarb in the paint. I really love the texture it gives out, and the best thing that it sits on, or it spreads very very evenly on any surface. So I'm just seeing to fit it as well. I've started painting here. This is the first coat. I'm not going to do it right till down because it's not going to show up anyway, so I'll be doing it only halfway. This is the second coat. Initially I was thinking of tying this twine around it, but I decided against them, and I've got this Dollar Tree ribbon, the plaid one, the buffalo check one. And I've also bought these onion grass from Dollar Tree as well. I'm just going to fit them in there and we're good to go. Voila, there you are. I hope you like this project. I really loved it. It was very easy, and I hope you try it out. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like it, and if you could share it with your friends, that would be great as well. Thank you very much. Please let me know in the comment section how you found this project. Thank you very much. See you.